Hey everybody, it's Mike Turner, sales manager here at Penticton Nissan. It's the moment so many of you have been waiting for. It is time to show you the new 2025 Nissan Murano. This vehicle has been redesigned inside and out, top to bottom. My favorite feature on this vehicle on the exterior is the new redesigned front end with the new LED lights and the LED daytime running lights. This is an SL trim, which now comes with the nice 20-inch rims. But on the platinum levels, you can get 21-inch wheels now. Speaking of lights, let's not forget about the rear end. The nice new LED rear taillights are phenomenal looking. And let's not forget about everybody's favorite, well, my favorite, the new engine, 2-liter VC turbo engine, 4-cylinder, 241 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. And they've changed how you actually open the back of the Muranos now. Little button here above the Nissan logo. It's also equipped with the kick-activated tailgate, so as long as you have the key, it does do the kick-activated tailgate. But look how much room is inside the back end of this Murano. The seats lie down nice and flat, extra storage underneath the back end, and tons of room for all your golf clubs and all the extra goodies. So this has all the extra storage spaces in the sides, as well as your Bose subwoofer here in the back. Entire inflator kit. So the Nissan Murano is what they do is they give you tons and tons of luxury interior room. So in the back here, you have tons of room for 3 rear seats with all heated seats. It has the USB-C plugins back here, as well as a rear center vent system as well to keep everybody heated or cooled. Another great feature is you have the panoramic moonroof if you look up, which is really nice for these rear passengers as well as the front passengers, letting in that extra little bit of light when you want it. So the Nissan Murano is by far my newest, most favorite looking interior on any Nissan that's been out to date. You have new shift modes on the vehicle. So you have buttons now for the park, reverse, neutral, and you also have the sport modes as well, which go hand in hand with the new 9-speed automatic transmission. So the Nissan Murano Platinums now come with heated and cooled seats, which is absolutely fantastic for the summers here in the Okanagan. They now have the haptic touch dash on here, just like our Nissan Arias do. So you can turn everything just by touching the dash, temperature, everything, super easy. One of my favorite buttons in all the Nissans that we have now is the 360 mode surround view camera, which is really nice. You get a full 3D module of where you're parked, how it's parked, if anything's sitting around you. This Murano also has Google built in. All you have to do is say simple commands and it'll do it just straight for you. It's super easy. Hey Google, give me directions to Walmart.
Walmart Supercenter is 2 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
You can also do simple things like, hey Google, turn my temperature to 20 degrees.
Got it. Changing the temperature for the driver to 20 degrees.
Hey Google, who won the Stanley Cup last year?
For the 1st of January 2024, the 31st of December 2024, the Stanley Cup winner was the Florida Panthers.
It's that easy, especially on those road trips when you have questions that you just want to know the answers to. It'll tell you. One of the cool things about the new Nissans as well is they have a new app that comes out. It's a My Nissan app. This is for my Frontier, but it gives you the right idea. You can lock, unlock, remote start your vehicle from anywhere in the world as long as you have service. You can flash your lights, horn. But a cool feature with the Muranos is because it has the built-in Google, you can actually set its temperatures and do a lot of other really cool features straight from your phone. The Nissan Murano comes with Nissan's amazing warranty. It is a 3-year, 60,000 kilometer comprehensive warranty, as well as a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer powertrain warranty. So not only do we have this beautiful 2025 Murano SL in the showroom, we have a ton more on the lot and more coming every other day. So if you're looking for some, don't hesitate to reach out. The colors, the trim levels, they are available. So come see me, Mike Turner, sales manager here at Penticton Nissan, and let me help you get into a new Murano.